Here we have a Litex 30-inch Vortex hugger ceiling fan. This is installed in one of the bedrooms at my cabin. I'll give you a closer look. This has reversible white tube, like bleached oak or something like that. This does have reverse chain. So yeah. So here's just the light. I have it on because it's nighttime right now as I'm recording this. I'm gonna leave it on during the video because it's too dark in here. So as I said, it was nighttime. So here is low. Also, if you're wondering, the bulb in it is a GE braid stick. It's a really interesting shape. It's LED. This fan does wobble. A lot on high, a bit on medium. I'm not sure if you can even see it shaking on camera. And finally, here's high, is where it wobbles the most, as I just said. I don't know if you can see that, it wobbles a lot. Okay. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with the next video. Bye.